Hello friends, we are going to make these cute earring studs. For this we need these yellow cylindrical beads, orange cylindrical beads, black cylindrical beads, ear post, scissor, needle and B6000 glue and the thread. So let's get started. First we need 2 beads and tie a knot. We take 2 beads and we'll tie a knot. One more. Now we will make ladder stitch to make this 3 beads from here. Now go from here to the next line. We are taking 2 beads, 1, 2. Go from first bridge. Come to this bead, make ladder stitch. Make a ladder stitch. This is an increase. Okay. Now go through this bead. From here go through this bridge. If we can't go from here, so we should go from here, this bead. Cut the extra thread. Take one more bead. Go through this bead again. One more bead, get a increase by ladder stitch. Ladder stitch करके increase कर देना. Now we need to come here. Next line is also whole yellow, so we need to make it yellow. First bridge. इसको हम सेट करेंगे like this. Now again take one bead, make complete this row like this. This is complete. Now we will go for the fourth line. 1, 2, 3 and fourth. Fourth line is also full yellow and increase. So we'll take 2 yellow, go from first bridge, proceed like this and make complete this line. For increase, we used to make from last bridge 2 times. Okay. Now this line is complete. Now the fifth line, 2 yellow, 1 black, 3 yellow, 1 black, 2 yellow with increase. 2 yellow, go from first bridge, give a black, Now 3 yellow, one more black, from the last bridge. Now the next line, go decrease, 3 yellow, 2 oranges. For decrease we will go through the second bridge. We will go from this bridge, this bead and second bead, and back with this black bead and yellow bead. Now go with the one more yellow, two orange, three yellow, it's a decrease. Now to the next line, it will be increase, 4 yellow, 1 orange. Go from the first bridge. Sorry. Orange. Four yellow. Give an increase. Now give a decrease, full yellow. Now for the next line, we need to come to this bead. This is done. Cut the extra thread. Now stick the earring post. This is done. Let it dry now.